Hey there, it's James from UserLoop. We're excited to announce support for Shopify Gift Cards inside UserLoop. So this is a great new tool that you can use to incentivize users to complete your survey. And it means that once they've finished completing your survey, you can opt to generate them a unique gift card that then gets emailed to them that they can then go and spend in your store. So this is great for all sorts of use cases. Maybe you just want to incentivize customers to complete a particularly long survey, or you want to reward customers who are responding to a direct call for feedback, or maybe you might even want to use this for influencers or even managing competitions and things like that. It's super easy to set up, so let's just take a quick look at how to set it up in UserLoop. So I'm going to head into the surveys section, and in here I'm just going to go to the survey that we want to work with. So for this one, I'm going to work with our customer satisfaction survey, which is shown in the checkout process after the customer orders. And as you can see, this is quite a long survey, so a gift card will really help boost the response rates on this. So if we head to the thank you page, down on the left you'll see there is a new option for gift cards. Now the first time you come to this, you may need to grant some additional permissions from Shopify just so that we can generate gift cards on your behalf. But once you've granted those permissions, you'll come back here and you'll see all of these settings here. So you'll see there's a few things to set. So there's a gift card value. So this is the amount that the gift card will be worth. So in this example, I'm just going to set a £10 gift card value. The gift card value will be in whichever currency your store is. So you'll see the currency for your store here, and it will be in whatever that is. And you've also got an option to determine how long the gift card is valid for. So maybe you only want that card to be valid for a week, or maybe you want it to be valid for a year or 2 years. You can choose that here. So that lets you kind of determine when it's going to expire. And then once you've got all that set up, all you've got to do is turn this on. And now, every time a customer completes your survey in full, a gift card will be generated and it will be sent to them by email by Shopify. So I can give you a quick look at what that looks like. This is how the gift card gets delivered. Obviously, depending on your store's setup and branding, it will come through with that. This is in the email that is sent out by Shopify when the gift card is generated. And then the customer's got the link there to use the gift card and to go and visit your store and to go and spend it. So that's a quick look at the very first version of gift cards in UserLoop. We really are excited to see how you use this. We've had lots of requests from merchants to put it into the product. So if you need any help at all, just hit the chat button in the bottom right and we'll help you out with setting this up. But that's it for today. So thank you for checking out Shopify Gift Cards in UserLoop.